Are you thinking of turning your passion for web design into a profitable business but just don't know where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'll guide you through the process so you can confidently take your first step to online success. Welcome to Hostinger Academy, and let's bring your business idea to life. But just before we jump into building your website, there are important steps that need to be taken to set yourself up for success. One of the main elements to consider is having a detailed business strategy, and I'll guide you through each and every step of it, from choosing your niche to attracting clients, so you can confidently launch your online venture. And once we've covered all the groundwork, I'll show you the easiest way to create your website with Hostinger's Website Builder. So let's delve right into it. The web design market is crowded, so finding a niche is crucial if you want to stand out. A good starting point is to narrow down your target audience. First, pick a topic. Maybe you'd like to specialize in something specific, like travel blogs, for example. And remember to also think about any other skills you have. For instance, a background in graphic design or marketing could help you make a decision on your niche. Another point to keep in mind is that your business will have to be competitive. Make sure to conduct research, analyze the competition, and decide whether your idea can actually make a profit. And once you have decided which niche you want to pursue, make sure to keep in mind these essential factors. First, let's talk about pricing, as it's extremely important when trying to attract customers. And there's no magic formula to it either. You'll need to do market research and consider the complexity of your project, also your hourly rate, and any other overhead costs. Also, you should decide on a pricing model, like hourly rates or perhaps a fixed project fee. And make sure to factor in any ongoing maintenance costs as well. But no matter what model you choose, remember that transparency is key. You need to be clear with clients about what's going to be included in the price. If you're just starting out, you could even introduce discounts or bundles like SEO and branding services to attract your first clients. So let's say you've decided on your niche and pricing strategy, but how's it all going to work? The next step is planning out your business workflow. Try to imagine the client's journey. What happens after they place an order, and how will you gather their requirements? Take some time to plan out meetings with clients, or even put together some questionnaires for your clients so you can understand their needs better. Then, create a clear web design contract. This should outline the project scope, timeline, payment terms, revision policy, copyright details, and any potential dispute resolution processes. It's essential for setting expectations and protecting both you and your client. Make sure to keep your client in the loop as well. Schedule check-in calls or emails to discuss progress, address questions, and ensure everyone's on the same page. And to help you track the project and visualize working timelines, you could also use tools like Monday.com, Asana, or Trello. Planning all of this out before actually getting your business online is essential and will make the whole process a lot easier. So let's continue with a few more groundwork steps. Another absolute must is having a clear business plan. It will help a lot with scaling in the long run. Even if you want to keep it small, documenting your business can help you see how far you've grown. So think of your business plan as a roadmap. It should outline your long-term goals and set clear action plans for achieving them. This includes in-depth market research, your chosen business structure, a solid financial plan, and smart marketing strategies. And while you're writing out this document, make sure to review the legal inquiries about businesses in your region too. This can save you from unexpected hurdles later on. Now, the next step is finding clients to work with so you can make actual money. We all know that content marketing and SEO are powerhouses when it comes to attracting clients. But when you're just starting out, cold outreach might be as effective. First, identify your ideal clients. Then consider their business size, location, and what kind of web design they might need. Once you have a list, it's time to create a professional proposal template. Later on, you can reach out to these potential clients through email or LinkedIn. It's probably best to avoid social media or phone numbers, though, as that can seem unprofessional. Alright, well now that you've got everything planned out, it's time to get to the fun part and start building the future of your web design business with Hostinger's Website Builder. Whether you're just starting out or have dabbled before, Hostinger Website Builder will give you the tools to make a website in just a few clicks. It also comes with a bunch of cool features that we can use to speed up the design process. So let's check them out. To start off, we'll need to actually get Hostinger Website Builder. So click the link in the description, which will take you to this landing page. Then choose a plan that suits your needs. I personally recommend getting the Business Website Builder plan, as it unlocks a ton of extra features for AI-assisted website creation. Then pick the 48-month bundle to get the best deal. And with this plan, you'll also get a free domain name. Now, just create a Hostinger account or simply connect through Google. Next, select a payment method. Fill in the required information and be sure to enter the WB10 coupon code over right here for an extra 10% discount off your purchase. Once you've completed all of that, you'll be taken to our AI Builder, so click Start Creating. The AI Builder is extremely easy to use and will save you tons of time when working with clients. You just need to write your business name, choose the type, and write the description. And if you still don't have a name in mind, you can use our AI Business Name Generator tool. Find a link in the description below. Now just set your desired website style and color palette in the personalization settings and hit Create a Website. Then get a good look at the preview and enter the site editor to start customizing. Here, you can rearrange site elements simply by dragging and dropping them. Every time you move an item, you'll see a grid that will snap the elements neatly together. Plus, whether you're using a template or generating with AI, you'll have the default pages ready. This way, you don't waste any time and can jump straight to your design. So what else can we do here? Well, let's check out our AI Writer tool. Just double-click some text, hit the Writer button, and describe your copy. Our AI will do the work for you, so say goodbye to distracting placeholder text. And to make everything look more professional, we'll need a website logo as well. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can generate one using our AI Logo Maker. And if you ever run out of ideas or get lost, just jump straight into our AI Assistant tool, and it will sort everything out for you. Even if you don't plan to rely on AI the entire way through, these tools can give you a massive head start. Now, since we picked up the Business Website Builder plan, e-commerce is included. This means you'll be able to have up to 500 products, automatic orders, and scheduling, and even more than 20 payment options. If you want to take a crack at it right now, go to the website settings, select Online Store, and click Add Store. Then a new store page will be created, so feel free to play around with it. And if you want an in-depth guide, just check out our video tutorial right here. When you're happy with the website, preview it one more time to test everything out, both on desktop and mobile devices. Click this icon to see how it looks on a mobile screen and adjust the site layout if needed. Remember, any changes you make in the mobile mode won't affect the desktop one. Then you can connect a custom domain by hovering over this preview domain in the toolbar. Click Connect Your Own Domain, and you'll be taken to HPanel to claim your free domain name. Now, if you feel like your website is ready to go back to the editor and hit the Go Live button. And that's it! Visitors can now access and explore your site. Not sure if you got all the features down just yet? Well, no worries. Check out our video tutorial on Hostinger Website Builder right here for a full guide. Well, congratulations! You're ready to start your own web design business. Was it really as complicated as you thought it would be? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, turn on notifications for more website tips like this in the future. As always, thanks for watching and good luck on your online journey.